Hey, Scotty here at Southern Off-Road. Got a 2023 Ford Raptor. Made a few changes to it. Just some simple stuff. Up front we did the Fouts Motorsports collar kit to level the front with the rear. Set of 20-inch fuel off-road wheels. And 37 12 50 20 Netto Ridge Grapplers. Got all bolted on and over to the alignment rack, get everything dialed in. Let's see if we can get a shot of that collar kit on the bottom of the factory coilover. Really simple, make some big appearance changes to the Raptor. No scrubbing on the 37s with the correct offset wheel. If it's something you're interested in doing to your Raptor, just give us a shout, 205-685-1911, or on our website at www.southernoffroad.com.